Hello, my name is Rob Cox, and welcome to the Cheyenne forecast area, the place where wildlife exceeds the human population. However, we do have a lot of travelers, and these travelers basically go from I-80 from Sidney, Nebraska through Cheyenne, Wyoming, all the way through Rawlins, and then I-25 all the way from northern Colorado to northern Wyoming. Now, one thing about our area is that we have a vast majority of our travelers come through here, especially truck drivers. So if we shut down this interstate for even 1 hour, it costs the economy over $1 million. That's a lot of money. So what we have to do, we have to get this forecast right. So one thing about our area is that we're going to look at what our area really entails. And our area is full of good weather. Let's put it that way. We have anywhere from high winds to winter storms to red flag warnings to severe weather. We have it all. Now we're going to look at a case on January 27th, 2019. And so what we're going to look at is the potential for what Wyoming is known for is high winds. All right, now let's look at this. Right now what's affecting these high winds is our topography. We have an elevation about 3,000 feet in Shatter, Nebraska, the Cheyenne Ridge, which is about 6,000 feet. We have the Laramie Range, which is about 80 to 8,500 feet, and then you have the Snowy and Sierra Madres, which is up to 12,000 feet. All right, one problem we have here is that I-80 cuts right through the heart of those elevation changes, and I-25 do as well. So let's look at our first case here, January 27th, 2019, and what do we have in effect? A high wind warning. All right, now let's look at this. Right now, southeast Wyoming, we have a high wind warning until 11 p.m. tonight, and we have one place in particular here where we've got gap winds that we're getting speeds up to 70 miles an hour. And then we have another place, a gap wind, about Arlington, that's also taking place, and it has about 60 mile an hour winds. Now these places are prone to truck blowovers. Now we also have right now a high wind warning out into the Nebraska Panhandle, and that's in effect until 5 a.m. Now let's look at what we're expecting this evening. As you can see right now, our surface analysis shows a cold front basically extending from Montana to Wyoming border. This front is expected to sag south with time and may reach this area by around 0Z according to the models, and by I-80 about 3Z. Now what's going to accompany this front? Wind, of course, as well as the potential for snow and perhaps some blowing snow, and there's some mixed precipitation in there as well. So let's look at our current radar. Well, what's going on in our radar? Absolutely nothing right now. Maybe a few showers up there across northern Wyoming and northeast Wyoming, but other than that, not a whole lot. So I wish you all the best with this case, and I hope you can diagnose it very thoroughly, and good luck.